Hi guys, today we're going to show you the cargo mat for Lexus GX550. This is how it looks. It gets installed in the cargo area like this and fits this vehicle perfectly. Besides that, we can use, actually it comes with the bumper protector. The way it works is you attach it to the mat itself, and then you can unwrap it and it will protect your bumper. When you load things inside, you won't scratch the paint. Once you're done, you can simply wrap it like this, and it uses Velcro to stay in place. Again guys, this mat is from WeatherTech. If you need one of these, we will leave you link in the description.